want to play? You know what? I'm tired and I'm hot and I really just want to relax.
I want to be silly.
You want to be silly? Oh, you mean, oh. You know what? Not right now. I'm just really tired. I'm sorry. Huh? Whoa, what? No, I don't want to do the silly switch right now.
Are you feeling lazy? Bring on the crazy. Do you have a frown? Turn it upside down. Are you moving slow? Go, go, go! Silly switch!
Emily, do it, go! Yeah, Emily! There you go. Emily, come on, Emily! Yeah! Emily's a bird that's scared of the water! Ha! Hannah. Ah ha 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 ha! Oh! Ah ha ha! Hi, Hannah! Ah ha ha! Silly. Oh, you're so silly. Silly. Ah ha ha ha! You're silly. Ah ha 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 ha! Get you! Come and get me! Come here! Where are you going? Whoa! Whoa, Emily, that's so silly! Can you stand up? Whoa! That's cool. Emily, what are you gonna do with the sand? Oh, what's she gonna do? Oh, that's silly.
Whoa, my. You're silly. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Are you stepping on your shadow? Attack your shadow! Get her! Get your shadow! Ah! Get the shadow! That's crazy! Get her! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Hannah! Hannah! Hannah, look over here. Hannah. I'm a sea turtle. On my back, I can't get up. Emily, help! Emily, help me! Ah! Ah! turn. Oh. What? Go over me. Ah! Jump over me. Slow motion. Oh. Hey, whoa. Silly switch. I'm gonna get you. Oh no. I'm gonna get you. I got you. I just ate a bunch of sand. Emily is queen of the mountain. But I'm gonna come get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh no! Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh, there she goes! There she goes! Yeah! Give me a 5!
Hi, thanks for watching our show.
The Silly Switch made us do some really silly stuff today. And guess what? Now it's your turn. You ready? I want you to do something silly in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, look! You are so silly.
Don't forget to like this video, give us your feedback in the comments, and subscribe to our channel so we can see you next time when we pull the
Silly Switch!